Look at this, guys. We're starting. And look at that, guys. Massive difference. In this video, we're going to be removing scratches from our taillight assembly on our NSX. And there is so many scratches on this part of the taillight. And I can tell you already that we've done it on this other side. And it's a humongous difference. And we're going to show you how to do it. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to shake the bottle. We got iPro. We've got gloves on. We're going to open it up. So you saw that this went everywhere. I don't know why. I guess don't shake it until you remove this little part in the top, but that was no fun. We just cleaned everything up. So let's go ahead and continue. We're going to go ahead and put some on our yellow pad, and we're going to start. I'm going to get my finger and I'm going to spread it. We're going to pick the left side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab it. And I'm going to start at probably at 4. All right, here we go. All right, guys, here's the moment of truth. And oh, okay. OMG, guys. This stuff is incredible. Look at that. That is insane. I wasn't ready for this, guys. So we're going to take off the tape so we could show you the difference real quick. All right, here it is. Look at this, guys. We're starting. And look at that, guys. Massive, massive difference. When we pull up the tape, this product is truly, truly impressive. Look at all these scratches there, guys. So many scratches. And again, this side is scratch-free pretty much. And we're now going to do this side, and we're literally going to show you how these are going to disappear as we did on the other side. And this is cool because it fixes the scratches and it has a ceramic sealer, which is awesome. All right, guys, you literally saw how this looked before, and look at that, guys. That is a humongous difference. Not only are the scratches gone, majority of them, about like 90%, but the clarity is absolutely insane. And this looks awesome. This is a total win. And let's show you with our phone. Look at that, guys. Almost all of the scratches are gone, but the clarity is the craziest because before I didn't see this design feature, but you could see some red in here, and it's almost really neat because it's like part of the bumper almost. It's a really cool design, and because it's clear, now it's clear, we could actually see what they were intending as far as the design. This is awesome. This is so impressive. Guys, this stuff is amazing. You saw it in action. I'm super happy that I found it. And I used my orbital polisher here that I've had for like 3 or 4 years. And this is a cheaper one, and it's worked on so many cars and it hasn't failed me. Now, you don't have to use a polisher. They provide you a yellow pad and they provide you some microfiber towels. And the yellow pad is meant to be used by hand. So you have everything that you need with the kit, but a polisher does make it easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the description because this is now my go-to. This is amazing. And if you want an orbital polish, I don't know if they're still selling this one, but if they are, I'm going to put it in the link as well. And with the yellow pad, we use some generic microfiber towels. And guys, this was a total win. I'm super happy because we do a lot of projects here in driver's therapy, and sometimes they don't work out, and we're just kind of sad, and we can't recommend them to you. Most of them don't, so we can't make videos about them. But this is a total win. What was the con? The only con is when we opened it up, it blew up on us. But again, I think you're supposed to shake it after you take off the little like tamper seal or packaging seal that you saw. All right, guys, link in the description. We appreciate you watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.